And finally, guys, it is Tuesday. It is time for We Tweet. Here we go. Welcome to We Tweet. This is where we, as a group, decide something that we should post on Twitter. I'm going to show you 5 different tweets, and we're all going to vote on whether you like each one or not. You all have voting clickers at your seats? Yep, I can tell by the utter confusion that, yes, you do. You guys, you can vote for all of them if you like. You can vote for none of them. Whatever you want to do, we're going to see the results live on the screen here. Higgins, Roots, you have your clickers too?
Got it.
What is your record, Higgins? Are you pretty good with this?
I think I'm pretty good.
Yeah, I think you're like good. Tariq, 50-50?
I think I'm the champ.
Quest, you just say yes.
Yes to everything.
Yes to everything. Okay, yeah. Here we go. Whatever tweet gets the most likes, we will tweet it out live on the show so that you can all like it and we tweet it.
No.
Yeah, thank you. All right, you guys ready for this? First tweet is, every fire alarm should have a button that says, sorry, just making toast.
Wow.
Yeah, like, maybe they can't relate to that, maybe? Yeah. The alarm goes off when you're making toast? All right. People are very,
Say low ball.
Yeah, I don't feel confident about this one.
I feel like this one's toast.
Oh, you laugh at that one? They laughed harder at that one than they did. All right, the votes are in. Let's see the results. Oh, wow. Oh, it's right down the middle. Wow. All right, let's go to this next one. They don't necessarily get better, by the way. Okay, here we go. This next one is, to pick up a to-go drink at Starbucks, you don't need the app, you just need confidence.
I like that one.
Yeah, you go, I think I'm gonna go home with that one. Yeah, that one's for Larry? Yeah, perfect. All right, let's see the results on this one. I think it's gonna be better. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Thank you. Finally.
129.
One. I feel like that one's got a chance.
Yeah. That's in the park.
What was the first one again? I didn't mind the first one. It was like, I wish the fire alarm button had. Sorry, I'm just making toast.
Just making toast. Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Yeah. Because you laugh about thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about, it happens to me all the time.
Sure. But toast, or is it like a steak or something, or dinner?
Toast.
Toast, really?
Sure.
When you're at home, you put
That's correct.
the toaster on.
Yeah.
Your toast burns so bad that plumes of smoke come out.
That's correct.
Okay, well then I think you need a new toaster.
All right, let's try this next one. Let's see if this one's good. Here we go. Next one says, if I could do the splits, believe me, you'd know.
Come on, that's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The splits?
Yeah.
Or like a
do them
split?
all the time.
Do the splits? Do you call them the splits? You think that's funny?
I think it's funny that you call
someone will call it the split.
the splits.
Yeah, if I do the splits.
Yeah, like that. I bet you can't even do the splits.
Yeah, no, I can't do the splits. All right, let's see the results in this one. All right.
Whoa.
Wow, yeah, very judgmental. The audience knows what they want. They know what they want. They know what they don't want.
Yeah.
They don't want that or toast. I understand.
103.
Next up, it says it's not family movie night until you remember way too late about that one scene. Yeah,
Don't watch this, kids.
That's pretty graphic. All right. We can't fast forward this. All right. Oh, okay. All right, let's take a break. All right, good. Let's go to the kitchen and make some toast. Let's see the results in this one.
This got to be a big one.
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about.
There you go.
That's what I'm talking about. Thank you very much. I think that's going to be the champ.
I think it's going to be the winner. But do you like this
pretty
next
good.
one?
I do like this next one. It's pretty great. You can't vote twice, though. This is all real time.
Yeah, we can vote.
So, yeah, we're all experiencing this. This is a shared experience.
Ooh.
We'll have this for the rest of our lives. Oh. Here's the last one. It says, the best pizza isn't New York or Chicago, it's drunk.
That's more of a truth, yeah.
What do you think? I think it's got a chance.
It's got a chance, but it's not going to beat. It's not going to beat.
What was the other one? 168? It won't beat it, right?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah. Let's see the results. No! No, by one! By one, it did not win! By one vote! It did not win. We went with the movie scene. And we're going to tweet out this one right here during the commercial break. If you see it on your feed, give it a like, give it a we tweet, and enjoy. Hey, hey, hey.